The courtyard key is super simple to do. What you need to do is navigate across to the known courtyard all the way at the top of the map over here. In this main building, in this southern section over here, you'll find a downstairs area with the room that we need to get into. There's two ways of getting in. You can either come across this entrance from the main cathedral type entrance, or there's another door over here. Let's get there. So, with the key in hand, either enter here, head across to your right, or head across right here and take the close by entrance. I'll be doing this one here. So we'll open up this door, get into here. Usually there's a bot in this kitchen area, and we'll head downstairs. So heading downstairs here to your right into this small door, around the back here, you'll find this door. This is where you'll need to use the key. Once you've done so, inside you'll find a safe as well as a military computer. Looking through the safe, we get, some pretty good stuff, a PSU, and a golden lion, 450k, that's huge. Then from the military computer, not too much, and over here, a bag as well. From the suitcase, we didn't get much at all, but the 450k golden lion is massive. Obviously, your loot will vary. You can possibly get lucky from the safe, possibly not. But anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.